is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
And hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Tēnei au, te hōkai nei o taku tapu wai. Ko te hōkai nuku, ko te hōkai rangi, ko te hōkai ao tō tūpuna tā whakinui a hema. I pikiti ai i te rangi tūhāhā ki te tihi o manono. I roko hina atu rā ko i o matua kore ana he. I riro i hoa i ngā kete o te wānanga. Ko te ururu mātua, ko te ururu tāwhito, ko te ururu rangi. Ka tiritiri a ka paupau wā ki a papatu ānuku. Ka puta teira tangata ki te whaiao ki te amārama. Tihei Māori ora. A ka mihi au ki te wāhinga rokinga mana whenua o te wā ki ngā tupuna o te rohe nei. A ka mihi ki te koini Māori me tōna whānau. A ko ngā tangata rongo nui. A me ngā kaitiaki o te ao. Ka mihi ki te whare me te whenua tēnā korua. A ka mihi ki te honga mate haere atu rā. A ki ngā rātou kua hinga, kua wehe i te ao. Ngā mihi aroa ki a koutou, i roto i ngā pō. Nā ka hoki mai tātou ki a koutou i ngā wā katoa, a ka mihi ki te honga ora, te e Māori ora ki a tātou. Ko te aroha te manaakitanga me te kotahitanga hei pau i roto i tēnei ao. Nau mai haramai e te whānau, ki nā taitamatāne o Kirikiri roa ko Stefan West tōku ingoa. Hei tino pairawa atu a te wira I tēnei rā. And at the whānau we have an awesome match-up here today, and let's go straight to the home team. Ngā taitamatane o Kirikiriroa at number 1 we have Fifita, 2 Hammond, 3 Mātangi, at 4 Hala, 5 Puamo, 6 Mills, the captain at 7 foot, at number 8 Edwards, the 9 today Nordstrom, and at 10 Bothaway. On the wing, Diha Elliott at 12, Parai, 13, Marshall Moore, and at 14, Hunter. And to round off the starting 15 is number 15, Ben Ward. And on the bench today, 16, Vaka, at 17, McCarthy, at 18, Broomhall, 19, Hyatt, 20, Cole, 21, Tuapola, and at 22 today is Mark. And moving over to Hato Paura. Just down the road, Hatopaura, St. Paul's Collegiate at number 1, Hull, 2, Hill Brown, the captain, at 3, Kahotea, 4, Weir, 5, Young, at 6, Benjamin, at 7 is McLeod, at 8, the captain to round off the forwards is Young, at number 9, Silich, 10, Kilmister, at 11, on the wingers Blake, 12, Birch, 13 Thompson, at 14 Smythe, and 15 Hay. And on the bench today is 16 Thompson, 17 Kennedy, 18 Pocock, 19 Broomhall, at 20 is Very, 21 Migur, and 22 De Braun. And it's a very special fixture here today at Te Whānau. Not only is it Chiefs Qualifier, these two schools have a proud tradition in terms of whutupōro, and it's looking pretty spectacular considering the amount of rain we've had here in the Waikato. As we can see, just the huddle starting to form for these sides. By the looks of it, the under 15s from Kirikiriroa, they just got off the field themselves. Hence the sort of kākahu they're wearing today at Te Whānau. So a big shout out to the under 15 squad. But as I was saying, it is a very special moment here, especially for Ngāi Taitamatani o Kirikiriroa. It is pink shirt game for them. And that auction actually started last night. And they are fundraising in support of the Cancer Society. And just a big mihi out to the Bothaway whānau the Fifita whānau. All right, lots of boys and lots of our people who have been impacted by cancer. So you'll see the barcode at the whānau in their bottom right corner, te taha mātou, and if you scan that using your phones, you should find a link that will connect you to the fundraising opportunity there, and such a good cause for those whānau and for the Cancer Society. So we're not too far away from kick-off, just a few minutes now, and we should see both squads are making their way onto the papatākaro. Lots of finals footy being played around Kirikiriroa today. We've had the under-18s, under-17s teams matching off against local kura. As we see Hato Paura, they're coming towards the front fields now, and a very proud Collegiate. And a big mihi atu to Hato Paura. They have made their way to this final through their awesome performances in the CNI competition. Very strong wins from St. Paul's Collegiate in the CNI competition. As a matter of fact, they won their semi. It was a close game for them against Wesley, and then they won their final against St. Peter's. So their opponents today will be Kirikiriroa as they get a round of support here from their home crowd. As they will make their way towards the papatākaro, and we should see them go to battle before the battle through their haka. We can see Hato Paura just putting their caps down. Lots of boys with caps. And they'll be a strong, tight unit considering the amount of games they've played together. O he pairawa atu e rā haka. I runga I te papatākaro ki ngā taitamatane o Kirikiri roa. Lots of mana shown from both squads. And it's going to be an awesome Chiefs playoff fixture today at Te Whānau. Again, the weather, it's looking real nice out there. Obviously, a lot of rain in the Waikato over the last week. So there will be a bit sloppy on top, but other than that, it's looking pretty good out there at Te Whānau. So we're just moments away now as both squads, both the Rōpū, get their final kōrero ready before te timatanga o tēnei kēmu. And just again at Te Whānau, awesome fundraiser. You can use your phones to scan the code down the bottom right corner there. And that's for the Cancer Society and Boys High's fundraiser for cancer awareness. Lots of whānau impacted by cancer, so again, a big mihi atu ki a koutou. Referee just asking captains if they're ready. Hato Paura going to get us underway. And it's a good whana there from Hato Paura. It's contested nicely, but Kirikiri Roa have possession out on the edge here. Good strong carry from Puamo. He gets over the advantage line, and a nice pick and go here as well from Kirikiri Roa. They're going to look to exit here through Nordstrom. Good box kick here. And good take here from the number 15 from Hato Paura there. Hey, who's just given it off to his captain Silic, and they've won a penalty here now. Hato Paura, so good start from them off kick-off. Just competing defensively. And it's a rārangi time for Hato Paura, just near the kore te kaumita. He rārangi pai tērā. Haere tonu a Hato Paura, and just a knock on there, and Parai just tries to kick it through and pick it up, but he's knocked it on as well, so that's a double knock on. But it will be ball possession for Kirikiri Roa at the Kākari. In a good attacking position here for Kirikiri Roa. Nordstrom to feed. And good engagement, both squads here. Nordstrom, a good run, drawn pass here. He links outside with the midfield. Hunter, he makes the smart move and comes back inside. He was running out of room there at Te Whānau, and he needs to stay infield, and unfortunately for Kirikiri Roa, just not quite able to do that. Was the number 5 Mills, I believe so. It will be rārangi time for Hato Paura. And that's a good strike there. It's gone down, but it's still possession. They're trying to blitz the ruck here, Kirikiri Roa, but to no prevail, and they're going to whana te pōro from the number 10 here, Hato Paura, but just taken nicely from Kirikiri Roa. Ruck on the edge here. Good work over the breakdown from the number 13 there, that's Thompson, and he's won a great penalty here for Hato Paura, so another good start from them in terms of the breakdown, and just getting over the ball there, so they want to tidy that up. Kirikiri Roa, they were exposed there just somewhat against Napier Ahuriri in their Super 8 final, and Hatopaura look like they've done their homework and they're just trying to build more pressure at the ruck. Good competition in the air there from Kirikiri. So they have possession now. Nordstrom, box kicks. Has he kicked well? No, it's straight down to the number 10, Kilmister. By the way now, looks to return, and that's a good kick around the halfway mark. So Rārangi here for Kirikiri. Ka hia rātou ki te mahi pai me te whakatīnana. Engari, Hatopaura now. Morlin, very well here, Hatopaura. Good start here, they've still got possession. You can see Puamo's just fighting to try and get to the ball, and it's gone to ground now, so the ball's live. Hatopaura with a cross kick. There's ball into space here, by the way, tries to tidy up. I'm sorry, it's the 15 here. Ruck time for Kirikiriroa. Nordstrom now. Out wide, that's a good carry from Edwards, but he's lost possession now, and it's kicked through from Hatopaura, but picked up nicely there. So we're going back and forth here, te whānau. Puamo. Good carry, but they're trying to blitz again. Hatopaura's done well at the breakdown, and so their number 6 has stolen position here, has Benjamin, and they're splitting the ball wide here, Hatopaura. Their number 14, Smythe. Slightly isolated, counter ruck here, but probably from the side, but the referee lets play continue. Ball's loose now, so the number 12, Birch, just throws the ball back inside. Play continues as Hatopaura just building phases, keeping the ball alive. And that's a good pick and go here. Good support play as well from Hull. More pick and goes here for Hatopaura, and supported by McLeod. Silic, he takes it to his back line. There's space out here for the number 13. He's very close. No advantage here, so the referee goes back, and this is a brilliant start for Hatopaura. And kua timata pai, rawa atu a Hatopaura. And they've won a penalty now. Right on the Rima Mita. Their number 10, Kilmister, just finds the touchline, so ka taia e rātou te whai kora mai I tēnei Rārangi. It does look good. It's stalled now though, they're not going for it. A great pick and go here. More phases here for Hatopaura. Moving the possession here. More movement here, Hatopaura. Now spreading it wide here, Hatopaura. Through their 12 now, Birch, he's had a good start. Return play here for their number 1, Hull, I believe. Martingi just trying to be aggressive, but it's a good carry. More possession here. They just need to be patient here. Good carry, Kahotea. Very close now, Hatopaura. Good pod work here, just mixing it up between Picking goes the captain from Kirikiriroa trying to counter-ruck. However, Hatopolda, they're just digging away here. The number 6, he piro pai. He ko whiringa po tēnā mō rika. And Hatopolda with the first points of the game. Tau kē tō a rātou manawa nui ngā pōkai. Just brilliant phases there, patient work from Hatopolda. And so they're going to find themselves with an early lead, and that's all due credit to their great start, and they've converted as well. So, whitu ki te kore, piro. Hatopolda with the lead in this Chiefs playoff fixture. And they had a very convincing CNI final win. Hatopolda over Hatopitara, St. Peter's. As we see, by the way, nice dinky short kick there. That's brilliant work. And so Kirikiriroa will have possession as Hatopolda try counter-ruck. And they're just going to go through their forwards now. That's a strong carry there for Kirikiriroa. Just trying to build some phases, by the way, after Parai. Bit of a pump fake, and then he goes backwards, unfortunately, for Kirikiriroa. So they need to start winning the physical battle. Nordstrom now, he might look to box kick again. No, he turns the other way. Mills now with a good carry. Play continues, and a good physical tackle again from Hatopolda. But unfortunately, their number 6 was slightly offside, and then Benjamin, I think it was, just came to the side, and then they've kicked the ball away, and the referee does the right thing and marches Hatopolda back 10 metres. Me tūwhiri me whai a pikaunga rātou I tēnei wā Hatopolda, because now Kirikiriroa have possession on the rua tekau mārua. How can they respond, Kirikiriroa? And unfortunately, just a misto here, another mistake from Kirikiriroa. And now Hatopolda have possession, they're splitting the ball wide, and it's great hands there from their number 11, Blake. They have possession out on the edge here. Silic off to his forwards. Good carry here from Weir. More ball movement from Hatopolda. And a good carry from the captain, Hull Brown. Good pick and go from the number 12. They had numbers out on the edge here to Hatopolda, but it's broken in play, and the referee just lets this continue. Good chase here from their 15, hey? And by the way, whānau, I believe, is, by the way, and hey, that's going to be an epic battle as they just settle down play, Kirikiriroa. And Hatopolda going to have a carry now through their number 7, McLeod. He's had a good start. Good pick and go here. Just don't want to get isolated And they are isolated, but the referee says he's not supporting your body weight. Was the centre from Kirikiriroa. Ka whakatūria te moro I konei pea. Let's see whānau as Hatopaura fake the front and they get the ball stolen. So good defensive line-out work here from Kirikiriroa. Really just attacking each breakdown. Edwards, he can carry. And just slightly isolated, and Nordstrom, I believe, just tries to find the grass. He does so nicely, but great work here from the outside backs over Hatopaura as we see Kilmister take the ball into contact. More position. They've had a lot of position early on as Puamo dominates position and they've offloaded it. Puamo with another strong carry, so it's a good work rate there from the Fijian. That's gone forward now from Hatopaura, and the referee does see the linesman's call, so a paite mahi from our kai whakaako from the referee. E whawhai kaha I te timatanga o tēnei kemu. Hatopaura though with a whitu ki te kore advantage. But it is a kākari here for Kirikiriroa. The referee doesn't like what he sees. So he's going to ask for both teams to reset here. Great attacking opportunity for Kirikiriroa. They haven't had too much possession. Me tika tā rātou whakatinana I konei. Kia tika te mahi rātou. Ao Kirikiriroa I tēnei wā. And they're able to go to their set piece. It's a good backdoor play here. Parai with space. Hunter, he's had a good run here. Play continues, referee. Inside ball here, the ball hits the ground for Kirikiriroa, but by the way, tidies up nicely. No, in fact, it's the 15 ward. So Nordstrom goes to his number 8, Edwards, stays on his feet nicely. Just marching towards Tarawa te Komaroa as Fifita with a good carry. Nordstrom wants to link up with his forwards, Mills now. By the way, numbers here for Kirikiriroa. Hunter, he tino pai te oma. Possession still here for Kirikiriroa. Edwards now. Building phases here, Kirikiriroa. Referee with the advantage. Puamo with a massive carry. Tauke, tēnā mō rika rika. Ai, tiha alier, he mō rika rika whakahara tēnā. Kirikiriroa with their first piro o tēnei kemu. And again, e te whānau, just a QR code there in your bottom right-hand screen for our fundraiser. It is for the Cancer Society. So all the players from Kirikiriroa will be auctioning off their kākahu, their plain shirts, and all proceeds will be going to the Cancer Society. So kia kaha te koha. I know I was on there early this morning making a bid myself, so Awesome cause there, te whānau. As we see, by the way, e roa ngā piro. So it is whitu ki te whitu. E tauri te tonu ngā piro I te timatanga o te kēmu. As we'll see Hatopaura get us underway again. And it's a good take there from Kirikiriroa. Puamo, he's had a great start to this game. He stays on his feet, does Puamo, just needs to be patient. But he's tipped it up perfectly here, Nordstrom. Throws the ball out wide. What great vision there from Nordstrom. And we've got a strong carry for Kirikiriroa, and he's tackled out. Great phases there from Kirikiriroa. Is Hala, I believe it was, just out on the edge, he ran. But did get tackled out, and so we'll be a rārangi for Hatopaura. Just one of the front rows here for Hatopaura, just with a shoulder niggle. So the referees just stop play. As we see Kirikiriroa just get to their huddle and compose themselves. And it's been a great start to this game. Hatopaura with possession early. They built plenty of phases to get their first try, and that's all back off their CNI performances this year. As champions of 2026, and Kirikiriroa responded nicely through an edge try for Deha Elliott. Can they get another pedal here, Kirikiriroa? Just going to them more, just driving, but the referee wants them to use it. And so play does continue here for Kirikiriroa. Ward now looks up, passes through to Fifita. Just going backwards, they need to go forwards here, Kirikiriroa. And Fifita does just that. And off his feet there, I believe it was. No, apologies, the referee went the wrong way, but not rolling away is the call from the referee. So more possession here for Kirikiriroa. I'm picking this is going to be a kōkiri topu, a rolling more. A kataia e rātou, e te whakawhiwhi ki te piro. Bota Hala now, they've trick played this and thrown back to the front, but it's good defensive pressure here from Hatopaura. Mills now takes a go here. Kataia e rātou, te whakawhiwhi ki te piro. Ai! Pāriro te piro. Kirikiriroa. And that's all off the back of their set piece. Brilliant line out there. They went to Hala and then back to the front again. Just shifting the point of attack and able to get over their advantage line, and good execution here for Kirikiriroa and good response considering they were down 7-0 early in this kēmu. By the way, now for the conversion. Whana whakau. Kua uru. Ni ka te pai tana tākaro I te whaiiti te kau I tēnei toputanga. He rawe a tana mahi I tēnei tau. By the way. And I'm interested to see how Hatopolda respond now. Good take here from Hunter. Now just getting into their flow. Now Kirikiriroa. Good dummy run here. That's great work from Nordstrom. Mills now. Breaking off the tackle, offload. And now we can see Hunter. Hammond now, backdoor pass. There's plenty of space out here for Kirikiriroa. Brilliant run from Puamo. Nordstrom. Off to Halla. He carries well. Just cleaning out his Edwards. By the way, shifting it on. Fifita. Good work over the ruck, but positions at the back there and a grubber kick through here. Hatopolda, just great tidy work there from Hatopolda. The kick was good too, and by the way, he's looking for space and he just attacks. Nordstrom now just offside there was Hatopolda, and that was the number 4 where he just found himself offside, and if it wasn't for a knock-on the edge here, Kirikiriroa could have been in for another pedal. Good option here. I wasn't sure whether they wanted 3 points or whether they want to continue pressure. Kirikiriroa. I pai tā rātou tākoro I ngā miniti te kau a kua pahure. Kirikiriroa now building more pressure. He mahitika. He mōreka reka arawe. And just looking at the replay at te whānau. Just a brilliant maul there from Kirikiriroa, and just not able to respond there. The Hatopolda forwards physically got dominated there, so that's a great response from Kirikiriroa. And te kaumaiwa ki te whitu. Hatopolda led early, but it's been 19 unanswered here from Kirikiriroa. By the way, now approaches, he kicks it well off the tee, and that's another Rua Piro ki te tima o Kirikiriroa. And Hatopolda, they want to be responding here. Otherwise, this game's going to start pulling away from them. They had a brilliant opening stanza, however, the last 10 minutes from Kirikiriroa has been all but perfect. Now off the kickoff, good take here from Kirikiriroa. Brilliant execution. Nordstrom off to Edwards. Strong carry from Edwards. Just trying to be niggly at the breakdown is Hatopolda, and Kirikiriroa just making the smart choices, looking to kick possession. Just needed to connect there to Parai, but he's able to make the tackle. The early replacement here, Kennedy. for Hatupora. Run here from Cool Mister. Another dart-in run here from Hatupora. Just getting over the advantage line too easy. Back to the edge now. Space here. Good run here from Hatupora. Building inside the rua te Kaumarua. Silic. Replacement. Halfback there, and another carry here for Kennedy. He had to come on early. Unfortunately, front row from Hatupora went down injured, and so he's an early replacement here now. The number 7, McLeod, got hit hard there. And that's no advantage, so the referee brings back the play. Just a high tackle. Smart from here. Hatupora, they just wanted to tap the ball quickly, catch Kiri Roa unawares. More phases here through their number 15 there. That's Hay. And that's great jiggling there from Kiri Roa. And so Parai, I believe, has won the battle at the breakdown, and by the way, just a bit of a mishap here. So the number 11, Blake, breaks several tackles now. Blake. Silic moving possession now. The number 8 here, the captain Young. Off to his forward, Young. And Kiri Roa, too aggressive there. That's good work from the outsides. Just getting feisty a bit there, Young. He's not backing down, and that's what you want to see from your forwards as Hammond is going to look to throw. They fake the front at the Rārangi, does Kiri Roa, and they're going to maul now. It collapses, so what's the ref going to do? It's good breakdown work here. Killing the ball is St. Paul's Hatupora, and the number 6, Benjamin, he was the one who just killed the ruck in one position and not really realising it wasn't a free kick. It's just a simple turnover there for Hatupora, but it is a kakari here. They've had a good flow of possession in the last few minutes. He ahata rātou e mahi ai mai te whakataitai pōkai. E whakaeke whānui pea. And that's tough defence there from Kiri Roa. Still with possession. Young plays halfback here for Hatupora. Battling inside the roa te Kaumarua as we see Young now. Lockie Young, good carry from him. Silic off to his forwards, and it's a knock on there from the number 6, Benjamin, unfortunately. And now Puamo, he's had several strong runs in this game. He needs to link up and find his backs. He wants to go all the way, does the big Fijian. He gives the offload to Hala. Hala now just offloads himself, but he's going it straight to Hatupora. And referee plays the advantage, so they want to use the ball here to Hatupora. Linking up nicely here. Good attacking phases. There's space out on the edge here for the number 12, Birch. Can he link up with his outside? He is. The number 14 now. He's got a good run here, Smythe. And he throws it back infield, and Marshall Moore just grabs the ball, but he was out, unfortunately, for Hatupora, Smythe. But that was a great counter-attack opportunity. Tore te kau mā toru miniti I roto I tēnei hawhe tuatahi. Rawa te kau mā tahi ki te whitu piro. Advantage, kiri roa. And that's not straight at the line out, so Hato Paura have a good opportunity here before te mutunga o te hawhe tuatahi. And they do tap the ball early, they just want to keep possession. Hato Paura through their number 8 Young. He's had several good carries today. Good over the ball play here. Was Fifita, but more possession here for Hato Paura. They're getting close now. Good carry. Building more phases here. Akataia rāne te piro. Hato Paura. Very close here, Hato Paura. No advantage, so it will be a penalty. A tap penalty here, Hato Paura. They're very close. Moving the ball wide, but they've knocked it on, unfortunately, for Hato Paura. It's a double knock on, and we are just moments away from the end of the first half. Just not quite able to capitalise. Was Hato Paura, and so Nordstrom just asked the ref how much time is left on the clock. And if time's up, they'll just kick the ball out. But Edwards has gone for a dashing run here. Edwards, he's flying, he's very hard to stop. Good legs tackle there, but he's broken through. Now it's pop past off to Marshall Moore, I believe it is. And that's a good carry from him. Kiri Roa just counter-rucking nicely. Hato Paura to slow it down. As Kiri Roa, they have momentum. Moves now. Gets it off to Hunter. But he's taken out. He wants to stay infield. Fifita with a good carry. Young just stopping him in his track. Gets back on his feet, does the Kiri Roa forward. Moves now, offloads to Hammond. He's going forward. Just a good dashing dart here from the captain foot. Another pick and go here. Very close now, Kiri Roa. Can they score here, te whānau? They're looking nice. Building phases. And that's great defensive play, so a counter-attack of their own, Hato Paura. That's advantage over, he doesn't want to get isolated here. Good low work over the breakdown and a smart kick here from their number 9, Silic. But that's going to close out our half, I believe, aye. E kua mutu te hau, roa tuatahi. He hau roa rawe rawa atu tēnā. And we will be back shortly e te whānau, just after the commercial breaks. Roa te kaumātahi, ki te whitu, we will see you very shortly e te whānau.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whiako pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through a tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, let's have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey. Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, it's a whānau. Look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MΑORI Plus on your devices.
Nau mai harawa, mai anō e te whānau ki ngā taitamatāne o Kirikiri roa. He hauroa tuatahi, arawe rawa atu. He whutupōro rere pai. He pōkai tika ā. He rawa te tuku a me te oma. Me patua hato paura. Me hopu i ngā ahuatanga katoa. Kia wini te kēmu nei. Me whakaaro nui a Kirikiri roa. Me te pupuri, te poro. I te mea, a ke te arahina, e rātou me te whakatinana tika. Yeah, brilliant first half from both squads. Roa te kaumātahi ki te kore. Kirikiri roa with the lead in this Chiefs playoff fixture. And both sides trying to make the most of their opportunities. Hatopaura, they started the first half brilliantly. But after the first 10-15 minutes, it was all Kirikiri roa. And so, Hatopaura, they'll want to be the first team to put more pedal on the board. As we see Hatopaura, they're just getting the last of their chats organised. Trying to figure out a way to get themselves back in this game. And I just want to give another plug out to our fundraiser at the whānau pink shirt game. Lots of these jerseys. In fact, all of them will be auctioned for the Cancer Society Foundation. Another mihi atu a ke te whānau o Fifita. Me, by the way, A tēnei te mihi ki a koutou katoa. And by the way, himself will get us underway. Mō tēnei hawhe tuarua. And just spilt there at the kickoff. So Kiri Roa Nordstrom takes possession and there's a breakdown here. Counter-rucking Hatopaura, but Fifita takes the carry. Nordstrom now. Ball goes through the hands. And we go back the other way, just working their forwards here, who have been dominant in this fixture. By the way, now with his own carry. Hala with a good clean out. Just working to get themselves some momentum, get over the advantage line. And that's a good carry there from Mātangi. Nordstrom just being patient here. Good work for Kiri Roa. Ward was just feeding it off to his forwards, and that's great. Counter attack and defense there from Hatopaura. Just able to win the ball and rip the ball from the Kaitākaro or Kiri Roa. So kakari here for Hatopaura. Just outside Dorowatako Mārua. Lots of options in this place of the field. Ka oma rātou ka whanarānei. He aha te ko whiringa. Kei te oma rātou. Good carry. Same pause, they know they have to score. Work themselves back into the game, and unfortunately they've thrown it straight to Kiri Roa. So just a mistake there from Hatopaura. Good counter-rucking again. They've been great at the breakdown here. Have Hatopaura. Mātangi now wants another carry. And that's a penalty. They just didn't release the tackler. He had his knees on the ground, did Mātangi, and they tried to rip possession when they should have released the player. So lots of options here. The penalties aren't in front. They'll want to win the game, and that's probably the right decision to extend the lead, get another toru piro, and push it out to Ruatako Mawhā. E kore a Hatopaura e a hei e ki te mahi hapa I tēnei hauroa. And because as a result, by the way, gives himself another toru piro for Kiri Roa. So just slightly increasing the lead here. As we can see, there's a bit of... looks like it could rain, just a few drips and drops. As we see Coach Morby just walking down the sideline here as Hatopaura. Great work there from the centre. From the kickoff there was Thompson just gaining possession for them. So Kilmister tips it on here. Hatopaura now again just throwing it straight to Kiri Roa. And we're going to see Marshall Moore take a dart and run down the edge. Edwards now. Nice quick play here from Nordstrom Mills with a big carry. Nordstrom just seeing which way to go. They look to shape the kick here, and they do kick. Just plug in the corner, hits the grass, so that's great. Ball's here, and there's another mistake from Hatopoura. I talked earlier at Te whānau about just after half time not making too many mistakes, taking the most of their opportunities, and unfortunately they've knocked the ball on again, and Kirikiri will be hot on attack as they have a kākari of their own. Me tō kaupeka whānui I konei, or do they decide to crash play? No, they do go wide here at Te whānau. Good pass, but unfortunately hits behind Hunter, and he's knocked it on, probably just a little bit behind him from Ward there. As Hunter just walks away smiling. Goes possession to Hatopoura now. I guess it's the same pātai he whakaeke whānui I konei ka tika. And they need to get back into this game. They need to score next to Hatopoura. And that's a good contact from both squads. Just a nice dab over the top from Hatopoura. The ball hits space, but Marshall Moore, he links up. There's numbers and space here for Kirikiri. Oh, by the way, back inside. Parai, he piro. As we see here, Te whānau, just nice work here. By the way, just running into space. Probably could have gone himself, but back inside and offers left foot Parai, and he gets a piro of his own. So this game now starting to blow out for Kirikiri Roa. Roa te kaumā iwa ki te whitu. Kua piki haere te tini o te tangata. In this local derby is, by the way, he whanapai. So that's another roa piro for Kirikiri Roa. Waru miniti I roto I te half e tuatahi a tuaroa e te whānau. And Hatopoura, they want to get back underway quickly. And that's the smart thing to do now. They've won position now. Good offload pass here. They're on the front foot now. Hatopoura as Puamo tries to make a big hit, but nice footwork from their halfback. So that from their number 19, it was Broomhall. They've gone to their bench early. We're going to see their other replacement, Kennedy, who came on early in the first half. They're just going to work here. Hatopoura. Kilmister just with a run, not sure what to do, as we've seen some umbrella defence from Kirikiri Roa. Good breakdown work there from Marshall Moore. Just not quite over the ball, so referee lets it continue. Big line speed from Mātangi, but doesn't make contact, so Hatopoura, they're just rima mita ki te raina. Referee has his hands out now. Advantage. Katai arato ki te piro. McLeod picks and goes, no advantage, so they might take a quick tap here. Hatopoura, or they could go to a more. It's a tough decision. Just slowing it down now. They want to get this right. They need a score next to Hatopoura, and they are going to take a quick tap. So play continues here. Good carry from their hooker, their captain, Hull Brown. Tap on pass here, there's space out on the edge. He piro. Carl, knock on, in fact. The referee's called it. That is a very tight call. It looked like he might have got there, but the referee double blows now, and he just calls in the captain and just wants the players, the kai tākaro from Hatopaura, to just settle down and let him referee the game, which is fair. But that was a very close call, and unfortunately for the referee, he doesn't have TMO. He's got to judge on what he sees, and just a confident call there from the referee. Kākiri now for Kirikiriroa. E rima mita noa mai tō rātou raināke, ka hiahia rātou ki te whana. Not happy with the pitches he's seen at the Kākari, so nke te kōrero ia ki ngā tīma. Nordstrom to feed the scrum. Ka taia rānei a rātou, te kite i te mahi pūtanga. And Edwards now, he's had plenty of great carries off the scrum, and now Parai. Can he link up? He links up beautifully now. Kirikiriroa, they're going to score. Brilliant Piro, it's Hunter. Ka Rawe. Te mahi o Kirikiriroa. And let's look at the replay at the whānau. It was a brilliant offload from Edwards. Just carried straight off the back of the scrum, and Parai linked up nicely. And he oma pairawa atu. Carson Hunter with a great try for Kirikiriroa. Te kauma toru meneti I roto I te hawhe. Tuarua, by the way, to extend the lead, and ka pai te whana. Good start from Kirikiriroa I roto I tēnei hawhe. Nā ka taia e rātou te kōwhiri wawe I ngā kaimahi mai I te pai whakawhiti. And they've done that through replacing their halfback Nordstrom with Mateo Cole. By the way, now sends it into space. And nice dummy run here from Hay himself. Good meters there from the fullback. And the ball's being ripped down now. Kirikiriroa, they're on a roll. More position here for Kirikiriroa. Hyatt, I believe, another replacement. And with a good lead here, they're able to go to their bench. But that's good breakdown work again from Hatopaura. And the referee, he's done brilliantly, just officiating this game, telling both captains what he expects. And there's just more back chat. You got to listen to the ref. and let the ref officiate the game. So that's good officiating. And now Hatopaura have a brilliant attacking opportunity. And that's more back chatting. So they just get to take possession straight away now, do Hatopaura. I'm picking he'll go to his card. If the kōrero doesn't stop here from Kirikiriroa. And kua tūpato rātou. That's a great intercept there for the number 21 replacement. That's Tuapula. And here Piro Rawe. More Kirikiriroa. Just looking at the replay, he just strides. There's no one inside, and what a brilliant run there from Patience Tuapula. And that's another Arima Piro for Kirikiriroa. E toru ngā poro kua tangohia e rātou I te rangi I tēnei wā Hatopaura. Just in the second half, 3 intercepts. Just need to make the right decisions, and third time lucky there for Kirikiriroa as they're able to score another try off an intercept. Just too many intercept passes thrown from Hatopaura in the second half. And Kirikiriroa, they've put on lots of their bench players. 19, Ethan Hyatt. 20, Mateo Cole. 21, Patience Tuapula. We can even see 18 Asian Broomhorse on there now too, as Isaiah Edwards. Just a head collision there. And another good dashing run here for Kirikiriroa, and the number 22 for Hatopaura, De Bruin. Tidies up nicely. Good counter-rucking here from Kirikiriroa is very... just fights to keep the ball for Hatopaura, and they're going to look to exit. And the ball has found the outside backs of Kirikiriroa, but knocked backwards. Play on continues. Edwards. He's been brilliant. Cole now off to his forwards. Not rolling away there through the tackle as Vaka had a great carry himself, and another Toru Piro on the way here for Kirikiriroa. Kua he tā mahi tākaro o Hatopaura kei te utua te utu I te papa tākaro. And now Botherway. Pai te whana e rua ngā piro anō mō Kirikiriroa. Kei te tere haere, te kēmu I naia nei. Just wanting to get back in the game, Hatopaura, and in some ways it's played into the hands of Kirikiriroa as Tuapula. Kicks but turns possession over now. Hatopaura get to build some phases of their own. As we can see, good front door, back door, De Bruin takes a good run now. De Bruin chips to the corner here, but He's turned position over. Cole now. Gives it off to, by the way, and he's found touch, so just settling nicely there. The drivers for Kirikiriroa. Rārangi time for Hato Paura. Me tino tika rātou mahi ki te hiahia rātou ki te whai meke toa. And unfortunately, they've made another mistake. So, Kirikiriroa down the edge now. Mills, good offload. Back inside a tip tackle. That's dangerous, and the referee does have his hands out. Hunter Hammond. What a good carry. Cole. No advantage, and so it will be a penalty here for Kirikiriroa. By the way, just the kick. Just wants the kick for the sideline. Ko patua e rātou e tahi mō rika rawe. A ka tai anō e rātou tētahi. Just a mistake there, but Tuapola with some flashy footwork. And he's done an intercept himself. And now Hatopola, they're going to be free to, on the rua te kaumārua. And on the try, so here, Piro for Hatopola. And we've seen plenty of intercept passes in this Kemu e te whānau, and we've just seen another one, this time from the replacement. Unfortunately, just trying to link up with his outsides, and Hatopola just trying to speed up the game, but not able to convert. So it's whātekau mā ono ki te kaumārua. Arawa te kaumārua meneti. I roto i tēnei hawhi tuarua. He painga mōrika kua tākoto. Ka piki anō he miro, a pe piro mō rātou. Good ruck work there from Kirikiriroa, and that's going to be a kakari just outside the rua te kaumārua. We can see the number 22 now for Kirikiriroa. He's on the field as Mark. Plenty of changes for both sides. And that's a good scrum there from Kirikiriroa. Mark, good short ball forward to a puller, but unfortunately the referee calls that forward. We could have seen another piro there for Kirikiriroa, and now Hatopola get their chance to strike here. It's a midfield kakari. Ka huri rātou ki whea. He aha te aronga. Ki mua, a ki mātou rānei. A ki te taha Maui. As we see a kick there from the 15, hey. And unfortunately, Kirikiriroa got possession and they'll get another attacking opportunity here. Cole now, off to his forwards. Hammond. He's had some strong carries here today. By the way, moving position, Parai. Moves now, moving position, Hunter. Just needs to stay in and he's taken out, so that's good defensive work there from Hatopora. Just trying to get the ball back, speed up the play. You can see the replacement hooker, the number 16, Thompson. He's on the field now for Hatopora. Hera Rangi Poto. Erima ngā kai tākaro, and just a mishap there. It's an overthrow, but tied it up here from Hatopora. They'll look to exit through a box kick, and that's a good kick there. It's going to find touch, in fact, so about a 15-metre gain for Hatopora. Now Kirikiriroa have an attacking opportunity at Rārangi time. And te kauminiti ki te mutunga o tēnei Kemu Whutupōro. Ki te whenua o ngā tautamatani o Kirikiriroa. As the ball goes wide here. Good offload there from Edwards, I believe. And just some good tactical kicking. There's a chance here for Mark, but the ball's gone too far, so that will be a dropout for Hatopora. Should be a whana ki te rua te kaumārua. Engari he kakari mo te tima o Hatopora. Ahi ahata rātou e mahi oi ki a rātou mō rika iti. Me pē whea rātou ki te oma. Ai. He oma anō. De Bruin now. He's had a good stint here off the bench for Hatopora, but gets held high from Botherway. That's good work from Botherway. But able to get rid of the ball here. So Hatopora tried to get rid of it, and offside there, potential from Hatopora. As we see the number 18, Broomhall. And it was offside, so that's good officiating from the referee. By the way, he just slows the game down nicely here. Doesn't need a rush. More subs here for Kirikiriroa as well, as we see the 17 McCarthy back for the first 15 after a stint on the sidelines through injury. And it just goes to show with a good work ethic, you can make your way back into first 15 contention. So, nā mihi atu ki a koe. Mills now, collapsing the more, but the referee lets it continue. Not sure what's going on here. Kirikiriroa with possession, that is McCarthy, but counter from Hatopora. And they're just fighting to get out of their own 22. That's good breakdown work from Mills. Unfortunately, didn't get the call, so more position here for St. Paul's. Hatopora. Counter-ruck here from Broomhall. Just a nuisance at the breakdown. just getting a bit niggly is Hyatt. Didn't like what he saw, and neither do some of the spectators, but in the meantime, we've got Hatopolta with possession out on the edge here. Swinging the ball wide is Hatopolta through there. Number 21, but penalty here for Hatopolta, so they tap position and they just want to go and play the game. So good run there from Weir. And a nice tactical box kick, but by the way, he's done brilliantly again, and he's kicked it himself, chased his own position, and now De Bruin just taken out late there. And so the referee gives a penalty to Hatopolta. Play continues for Hatopolta. We could see a yellow card here for Kirikiriroa. Just getting a bit feisty here. Both teams, both kai tākaro need to settle down. Pai te mahi a Hatopolta. E toru mita ki te piro rārangi. Hatopolta he piro pai. And just looking at the replay, it's just a great pick and go here from Hatopolta. And just again here te whānau, the fundraiser, the QR code in the corner there. Great cause for cancer awareness and the Cancer Society. It's a pink shirt game here today, and that QR code will take you to the website where Kirikiriroa are selling their kākahu, their jerseys, and you can bid to own one of those jerseys yourselves. And I've got my fingers crossed to get one of them myself, as we see another rua piro for Hatopolta. And just going back to their fundraiser, it's great to raise awareness and tautoko ngā whānau around the motu. So tēnei te mihi atu ki a koutou. So whatekau mā ono ki te tekau mā iwa, I believe. Another good run here, De Bruin. Hatopolta just gone backwards. Play should continue. That's brilliant officiating from the ref, and probably off their feet there was Kirikiriroa, and perfectly read there from our referee. And Hatopolta, they surprisingly they don't tap possession, they just look to build upfield, and with just rua miniti ki te mutunga o tēnei kēmu, they'll just look to play for the mana of their kura. So here we go now, Hatopolta, good at Arangi. Looking to go wide, the ball hits the ground, but tied it up nicely here. Good offload, unfortunately, to the kai tākaro of Kirikiriroa. They'll have position to finish off the second half as Hyatt. He loses position himself, and the referee said it's gone back, I believe, but great work at the breakdown. Unfortunately, the number one there from Hatopolta's off his feet. Hull, and smartly left position. And we got Vaka with a carry for Kirikiriroa. Hatopolta now. The position's gone back and forth here, and with just a minute to go, they want to finish strongly here to Hatopolta. Good pop pass, and just hung on too nicely there. Almost fell out of his hands. from Kilmister. Great run there from Kennedy. Hatopolda now. Phases there. Good carry again. Benjamin. Possession moves out on the edge. Through Hadley Thompson, and Thompson just taps and goes. So more possession here. Kirikiriro, good on. Good at the ruck there, but wasn't able to hold his feet there. Was higher and off his feet there. So more possession here. As we see, Very tapped it quickly and found space for his number 11, Blake. Another carry here for Hatopolda. Pick and go through the number 19, Broomhall. Not rolling away, so they just need to find some discipline as Hatopolda are whitu mita ki te rārangi. He piro pai. Hatopolda just finishing off the game nicely with another try there, and so they should take a lot of pride from the fact that they didn't drop their heads, Hatopolda. And they've scored a few tries at the back end of the second half. Just another 2-point opportunity. And unfortunately, it's a miss there, but great finishing there from Hatopolda as our tangata give a huge homa te paki for both sides. It does end up whā te kau mā ono ki te rua te kau mā whā. And again, by all means, e te whānau, please support our fundraiser for cancer awareness. Tēnei te mihi atu ki a koutou katoa. Ka tai ara nei e rate te huri I ngā kōwhiringa rua nei. And it's been awesome to be with you today e te whānau. Just a big mihi atu anō to our sponsors who have support this kaupapa. Nā mihi atu ki a koutou. Tēnei te mihi ki a koutou me o taringa me tō o karu a I tēnei rā. Ko Stefan Timihaya West tōku ingoa. Have a brilliant afternoon e te whānau, and well done to both these Chiefs kura around the motu. We will see you again e te whānau. Ka kite anō.